Before this video starts, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications so you never miss a video from me. Thank you. Hey guys, Thomas Innovative Line, and today is Monday. Today is the 28th of February 2021, and today we're doing System Test 2. So, if you notice something different, that is these two switches. The reason why I installed them is because I didn't want to break my back bending down to unplug the transformer. So instead of unplugging this transformer, that's what these two switches are. This switch right where my finger is the AC disconnect switch. So no more unplugging the transformer anymore. Just turn off the switch and it disconnects the power to the fire alarm. And this one right where my finger is the siren disconnect switch. So I can just simply turn it off and not having to have the siren chirped every time when we start it up, because that's what gets power first. So anyhow, let's go ahead and do the system test. Ready? In 3. Make sure I have my Allen key first. Yes, I do. Take that out. 3, 2, 1. There you go. Just set it off. And we're just going to go over here and unlock it. And set that to normal. Now let's turn the thermostat all the way down to set it off again. So we set the thermostat as it was going off. And there you go. So now I'm going to show you what these two switches do. See right here at the time, you can go into the panel and disconnect the negative terminal of the battery. Just like so. I'm actually going to show it to you. See, negative terminal is off. So now we're going to go down here, and we're just simply going to turn off these two switches. There you go, timer off, and now nothing is working. See, punch in code, nothing works. So now, when we reset it, we're just resetting it right now. And it's been about 30 seconds now, same time as the computer, because it's electronic. And now we just turn on this switch first, like keypad boot up, and then the second switch. Keypad is booted up, now the second switch, there you go. The reason why we do that is because so that right there, the siren doesn't go off right away when we boot the system back up, because what gets power first is the siren. So now, the way it's wired up is that the switch over here gets power first before the siren does. That right there doesn't go off. You know what I mean? So now, we're going to go up here and reconnect the negative terminal Just like so. See now, if you take the battery out, negative terminal is connected. Just like so. Now I do apologize from one of my videos. If you guys saw my videos where I started my YouTube, I do apologize about that. I was going through depression at the time and ended up making that video. So I do apologize for that, and it has been deleted off the channel just so other people doesn't get concerned or anything like that. Anyways, please like, comment, and subscribe, and you have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. As always, my link to my social medias will be in the description below. Thank you.